Science connections. Growing cells in tissues in laboratories has gone beyond basic research. Today, several research institutions and biotech companies are developing methods to organize and form the cells grown in petri dishes into tissues organs. Uh, and what is petri dishes? Petri dish is a shallow, transparent, ladded dish that biologists use to hold growth medium in which cells can be cultured, originally cells of bacteria, fungi, and small mosses. Now, the field of science involved in such research is called tissue engineering. The goal of tissue engineering is to create laboratory grown tissue and some substitutes, such as skin, cartilage, liver, bladder, kidneys, ears, and other organs to replace damaged or diseased tissues. With the number of patients dying and waiting for organ donors in the magnitudes of thousands, the prospects of this research are very promising. Animals obtain their food from others. Unlike plants, animals cannot make their own food. They must obtain energy by eating other organisms. That is why animals are categorized as heterotrophs. Okay. Heterotrophs, an organism that cannot produce its own food. Now, we're back. In contrast to the green plants, which are categorized as autotrophs. Autotrophs, an organism that is able to form nutritional organic substances from simple or inorganic substances such as carbon dioxide. And now, let's continue. Most animals have an oral cavity that allows to take in food inside the body. Inside this cavity, food is digested and broken down into useful substances that the animal's body can absorb and use to power in activities. Animals also have different feeding habits, which is herbivores, the plant eating animals. And the main example of it is grasshoppers, snails, cows, and horses. They have feeding adaptations that include possessing broad teeth with flat surfaces, suitable for grinding tough plants. And now, carnivorous. They are flesh-eating animals. They are mostly predators. They hunt and kill. They hunt and kill their prey. Predators such as lions and hyenas have physical adaptive traits such as sharp claws, speed and agility, excellent hearing and eyesight, suitable for hunting. Their teeth are pointed, sharp, and well adapted, stabbing and tearing animal flesh. Animals such as insects, small mammals, and humans are omnivores, which mainly they eat both plants and animals. Animals have adaptation for escaping predators. Animals that are usually hunted for food exhibit various adaptations to avoid their predators. Turtles and hedgehogs have hard shells and spiny armors. They are the mainly example of animals who can protect themselves from other animals. Some animals have involved chemical and physical abilities, such as smelly sprays, stingers, and skin capable of blending, which means camouflage. They can camouflage themselves to divert their predator's attention or cause their predator to lose interests. Animals reproduce through asexual or sexual means. Most animals reproduce by merging tiny, mobile sperm cell and a much larger female egg cell in the process of fertilization. The sex cells carry genetic information that provides unique characteristics to the offspring. Some animals reproduce without involvement of sex cells from both parents through asexual means. A single animal can divide to form two or more organisms. For example, a bud grows out of a body and eventually breaks off, as in the case of the hydra. And now, what is hydra? Hydra, a genus of small freshwater organisms of the phylum Cnidaria and class Hydrozoa. And now, that is my part to our reporting, and it will be continued by my co reporters. Thank you.